gonna show you absolutely great product for your backyard, your garden, your pool. This is absolutely amazing aluminum patio lounge chairs. I have in the beige color, but the seller has so many different colors, so you can check it out and pick up the best for yourself. And this chairs has a heels, which is amazing. It's very easy to move in other place. It's waterproof. It's very easy to clean. If something, if it's rain, you don't need to be worried. So right now I'm gonna show you more closer.